how do I make the page that I want people to see first be chosen first? Well, now we're going to go into something called Customize. Here on the side here of Appearance, you're going to see a tab called Customize. We're going to click on that. Now, this part is very important. This part you do not want to really mess up. It takes a bit more time because this is more of a more developer side here. But I'm going to show you step by step how to make sure your landing page is correctly chosen. Now we have our page open. Now that we have the customized page open, we're going to be able to now edit our page a lot more. So down here we see homepage settings. We want the homepage to be the one that we choose. So I chose my page to be landing. You can click it and see as many pages as you have or as many pages as can be chosen here. So we can choose home 1, let's say for example, and use that. So basically whenever someone clicks on thedriver.com, it'll land right here. Or you can click it to be your latest post. But I'd rather choose a static page. That's how you click it. Choose that and you're all set. Go back, make sure you do this though. Go back, okay? And now you'll see other options here such as site identity, which is another cool thing. Remember that favicon thing we talked about? Well, you can easily change it here as well. If it's not working through there, you can easily change it through here. Both of them work. Change image, and you get to choose a logo. So mine is just the basicdriver.com logo. Once you're all set with that, you can go back again. Now we have more options though. So remember Themify? Oh, there it is. It's been installed into our customized section. So now Themify options, and we can do many things such as site logo. Remember how I have my logo here? Well, that's how I have it here, and you can design it however height and width you like it. Also, if you have a site tagline, let's say like mine, drive today, get paid today. It's simple. These are different things how you can easily manage through there. Remember that main navigation? Well, you can simply customize it through here. So the menu links can be a different color, a different height, or a different type of font. Or if you like to have an active link be such as like a certain color, that's cool. See how mine turns from pink to purple? That's because I designed it that way, where an active link will be this color, a link covered will be this color. Same type of color there, as same scene here. See? So the greatest thing is to really explore around and don't feel like you're gonna make mistakes. Just make sure you know what you're doing when you look at it. If it says post, be sure that it's gonna be for a post. If you see a mobile menu, be sure it's gonna be for your mobile menu. As well as you see that I clicked the mobile menu, it turned into the section, it turned into the form of how my mobile menu will be perceived. So that's a really cool feature. Now we go back, great. And down here below, you can see you have the same options as well. I'm gonna click on the desktop app just to make sure everything's good. Great, 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 great. Theme options. I remove the Power by WordPress here. Sounds good. Now, once you're all done, make sure you click Published. Once you're all set with what you want, make sure you click that button, and make sure you just go back all the way back to this page once you're ready to exit. Once you're all set to exit, just simply click the X on the top left. After that, you're all done and you're set. That's how you make your home page to basicdriver.com or to your own web page be the first one to hit. That's how you make your menus, and that's how we design here everything we can easily with Themify. There's a lot more features you can go into, and I can show you more. If you'd like more, easily just simply visit the website and I'll be able to help you out. But so far right now, I've given you core basics of how to really design your website and be able to show all these great features such as buttons. Let me show you this last one. Button is cool. So if I install a button here, see how the button text is right here? I can make it extra large. I can make it as well rounded. I can make it a different color so we can better see it. There we go. Say orange. There we go. And you can make it outlined. You can make it just transparent. Words. can have it displayed vertically or horizontally. You can have it aligned to the center. Let's do that. Center it there. You can even have it like say enter here. You can have a full width here. Play around with these options. They're really helpful for you. The more you play around with them, the more you can actually get a better sense of what they can do for you and how much money they can bring in, a lot more revenue for you. So now let's click this button here. Let's say button text. Let's say enter. We can have it there, or we can have it say subscribe here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like how you should, because you're awesome, and hit that and smash that like button, you know. So for example, we can have it go to www.youtube.com/thebasicdriver, or just let's go youtube.com, keep it simple for you guys. There you go, and you can have it in the same window when it happens, or you can click a new tab. I like to click the new tab because it really gives a sense that, you know what, you don't forget my website because you went to another thing. Now it has 2 pages, and once you click out of that one, you'll remember, oh yeah, that's right, I'm in this website, I didn't forget. Again, like you saw, we can choose a different color, any style you like, and also you can add an icon. So let's say, let's choose this arrow here. Boom, now there's an arrow there. It's perfect, it's really cool. You can add a new button as well. All right, remember how we talked about before? The styling, animation, visibility. You can add all those similar things with a button. Done. Let's test it out. Remember, save, exit out. And here's how our website looks right now. Boom. Very simple, very easy. Now let's check out this button. Boom. Clicked on it. Where does it take us? Back to YouTube, where you subscribe to my channel and like that button. Press that like button, like that button. All right, great. So now that we have all that set, I hope this really helped you out, because it's really a very useful form to create your own website, whether it's for your driving website or just a regular website you want to create more and different things. This is really to help you out to make more money for yourself and have a more passive income, because you're going to do really great, and I believe in you. Because you know why? Because you're actually taking the time to see this video all the way through to this point. That's how I know you're determined to really make a change in your life, to really upgrade more things, and I really hope all these little tools and tricks helped you out. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section below, or easily just basicdriver.com. Oh, by the way, cool tip, bonus tip I want to give you, because you've listened this far, I want to give you this tip at the end. See how I'm able to add all these little features here because I'm able to design it and everything? It's really cool. Video here. But the bonus tip I want to show you is that you, as a driver or even a rider, can see how I created here, ride for free, start driving for free. I have referrals here in these sections here where you can easily have them for yourself too. So if I click on the start driving here, it'll open up a new website, just like we talked about, and it'll lead them to the Lyft website for my referral fee, and people can start, signing up, and you make money off of that. It's really cool. It's all helpful, really paying it forward, guys, and really paying it forward. So, and here is if you have your business cards and you want to give out free rides, you can easily start having people get free rides out here of this by clicking and creating a button that leads to Lyft. Christopher gave you $5 in credit towards your first rides in Westchester County. Boom! You just gave your rider free rides, and they're gonna give you higher ratings and bigger tips, just because, you know what, many people have their parents, their moms or dads who haven't used Lyft, and they're like, well, they never had that. I've had people in my car where they're like, oh, my mom's first time in this one. Well, you know what, since first time, here, I'm gonna give you free rides on me for Lyft. Next time she uses it, she can easily sign up and she gets $5 in Lyft credit towards her ride. There you are. Boom. And she can go ride around for $3.90 around the corner and try it out if she doesn't want to walk. But the cool thing is that it's coming from you now. That's your bonus. And that's where I want to leave you guys off, that you can create a lot of great things with this. And I hope you do well. Remember to like, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day and a great time building your own website.